Hello and welcome. This is Zasir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will apply some material on parapet wall, on stairs and roof as well. So let's get started. First we will just apply material here on parapet wall. For that I will just go here on materials. I will just put a command as materials. I will hit enter. Now this window will be appear in front of you. Now from here I can choose any of the category. For example, I want to choose masonry work here. I will click here to activate this one. Now here you can see bundle of the options regarding masonry, and in masonry there are three types as bricks, CMU and stone. If you need bricks, for example, you can select from here bricks. If you need CMU or stone, you can choose from here. Okay, you can see here options are going to change here. Right now I need for example bricks, so I will click here to activate bricks, and I can choose any of the style here. For example, I need here decorative blocks, so I will just apply this material here on parapet wall. For that I will just drag down this one. I will just click and hold left mouse button and I will drag it over here. Okay, now you can see it is going to apply here. And by the way, if it is not going to apply here, this is because of one reason. If I will go here in visualize, you can see here I will close this one for now, and from here click on this one. Okay, material or texture. Okay, and if it is selected as material or textures off, so it will not apply here. You can see here it is not showing here. Again, if I will just click and I will just apply as material on but texture off, so you can see it is also not showing the material. So make sure that you have choose this option, materials and texture on. I will click here. You can see it is going to apply here. Now the next thing, we have to just apply material on roof. For that I will go again in material. Okay, MAT, and I will just choose materials. I will hit enter. Now from here I will choose the category. For example, right now for roofing I will just go here in this option, and from here you can choose any of the thing. Okay, so you can choose asphalt as well. For example, I need asphalt here, so I will just drag it down and I will click here. Okay, now you can see it is going to apply here. Again, I just want to apply this one on the top of this as well, so I will just drag down this one and I will apply this one as well. Now it is okay. Now again we have to just apply the material on stair as well. For that I have to just say off the some of the layers. For example, I will off these wall layers. Okay, so I will just go here in lay off command. Okay, lay off. I will hit enter. Now I will choose those layers that I want to off. For example, I do not need wall layers. Okay, and this one as well, this roof as well, and this one as well. And now you can see here stair is going to highlight it. I want to just off this one as well. Okay, now we will just apply this material here on the stairs. For that again I will just go here in materials. I will hit enter. Now after this I will just click here on drop down, and from here I will just select flooring. Okay, I will click here to activate, and you can see here options. So I want right now what I need marble. For example, I want to apply. You can apply any of the material from here. Okay, I will just give you the procedure, and you can see here the marble. Okay, you can just see marble brown. You can choose any of the marble here. Right now I want to just apply gray marble, for example, so I will apply it here. Now you can see it is going to apply here. Okay, again I want to apply all of these steps. Okay, for that I will just go here, and again here, 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 this one, this one. Okay, this is the way you can just apply the material on any surface, and I will apply on this one as well, this one. Okay, this one, and lastly on this one. Okay, this is done here, and we have applied the material on this one. So this was all about this session. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.